fantasy. Just one heart standing still, like fate was waiting in the city chill. You love me quiet, not the crown, not the hunter, not the sound. When I lay my weapons down, you saw the girl beneath the flame. I fight demons, I save the night. Fuck you, I don't have to fight. But with you, I don't have to fight. You said my voice kept you alive when shadows tried to steal your light. In your eyes, I finally knew I'm not a symbol, I'm just Rumi too. A step closer, the city fades. Two purple braids, one silent fade. For once, I'm not the one who's strong, I'm just where I belong. Not every love is light and wide. Some love sees the human child. If the demons fall and stages burn, you're the peace I always return to. But with you, I don't have to fight. With you, I don't have to fight. Neon city, demon skies, leader crown but lonely eyes, purple braid, battle scars. Tonight I'm more than who they are. No gods, no blades, no